Have you ever wondered how Apple managed to conquer the complex and diverse Indian market? Let's dive into the key strategies behind their success. First up, Apple's entry into India. India's growing middle class and rising purchasing power made it a prime target. Apple positioned itself as a high-end aspirational brand. This premium positioning resonated with affluent consumers, maintaining exclusivity while strategic partnerships with telecom giants like Airtel and Vodafone made Apple products more accessible. Next, retail expansion. In 2023, Apple opened flagship stores like Apple BKC in Mumbai and Apple Saket in New Delhi. These stores offered an immersive experience, symbolizing Apple's commitment to premium personalized service. Looking ahead, Apple plans to open more stores in Bengaluru, Pune and Delhi NCR, strengthening brand loyalty through direct engagement. Local manufacturing was another game changer. To keep prices competitive, Apple started manufacturing in India with partners like Foxconn, Pegatron and Wistron. This local production helped reduce costs and made Apple products more affordable. Targeting India's youth market was crucial. Apple leveraged celebrity endorsements and influencer marketing to make its products status symbols among young consumers. Collaborations with popular figures created emotional connections and enhanced the brand's desirability. Despite stiff competition from budget-friendly brands, Apple overcame challenges. Trade-in schemes and extended warranties built consumer trust, while regional language options made Apple products more user-friendly, appealing to a broader audience. Key figures behind the strategy include visionaries like Steve Jobs, Ashish Chowdhury, and Priyanka Khatri, each playing pivotal roles in Apple's success in India. Unique strategies included direct retail stores, collaborations with local retailers, and a strong focus on digital marketing, connecting deeply with India's tech-savvy youth. This comprehensive approach led to significant revenue growth. In 2023, Apple's revenue from India surged by 30 to 36%, reaching $8 billion. Looking to the future, Apple plans more retail expansion and continues to see India as a central part of its growth strategy, with CEO Tim Cook leading the charge. Apple's success in India is a testament to a well-executed, localized strategy. With further expansion on the horizon, Apple's future in this dynamic market looks incredibly promising. Thanks for watching.